Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check serial number of your Honor Earbuds 3 Pro. So to do this, you have to select your earbuds at the first. Looks like the application not working, so I'm gonna restart. Let's open it one more time. As you can see right now, we are connected. Then we have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner, select device settings and click on the device information. And as you can see, the serial number appears in this place. There's also a second method to check it. You have to grab the case, open the cover and take a look right here inside. I'm gonna zoom in to show you how it looks. Okay, I think that right now you will be able to find the serial number. It appears in this place. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.